Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Google Calendar step by step. Customizing your calendar can help you stay organized and make it easier to manage your schedule. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once Google Calendar opens, look at the left sidebar under My Calendars. Here, you'll see all of your calendars. To change the color of a calendar, hover your mouse over the calendar you want to customize. Click the three-dot menu next to the calendar name. A color palette will appear. Select any color you like, and the calendar events will immediately update with the new color. If you want even more color options, click the plus icon under the color palette and choose a custom color. Next, to customize additional settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, choose the calendar you want to customize from the left panel. Here, you can change the calendar name, update the description, adjust the time zone, and configure sharing permissions. You can also customize event notifications. Scroll down to Event Notifications. Click Add Notification to set reminders by email or pop-up notifications before an event begins. Next, return to the main calendar view. Click the gear icon once again and select Density and Color. Here, you can choose between different display themes, including light mode or dark mode if available. You can also adjust the information density to make your calendar more compact or spacious. Finally, explore the view options at the top right corner to switch between day, week, month, year, schedule, or other layouts depending on how you prefer to view your events. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Google Calendar. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Calendar tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.